Hey guys, welcome to another new episode of Fridays with Frost. I hope you had a fantastic week and I hope you didn't miss me too much, because I know I missed you. Anyway guys, for the past week I had a lot of free time, so I decided to go traveling. I visited a few believers, saw some sights, had a little fun, Anyways, along the way I stopped in and visited a very close friend of mine.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. Hiccup doesn't know he's beautiful. That's what makes it beautiful.
Jack, do you always have to be so loud?
Hiccup lights up the world like nobody else.
Really, Jack?
Something
Really
if he
singing?
flips his hair
I'm
gets
trying
me
to write a letter.
overwhelmed. But when he smiles at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. Hiccup doesn't know he's beautiful.
Really?
You
gonna keep
That's
singing?
what makes him beautiful.
Not beautiful, stop it.
Blossom and beauty to my face.
Oh, what is this? Annoy Hiccup Day?
Woo! My shiny teeth and my shiny teeth. Yes, they're all so perfect, so white and pearly.
What, the
Brush,
tooth
comb,
teacher
rinse,
that song?
couple breath mints, my shiny teeth and me.
Either way, it's
my shiny
obnoxious.
teeth so
Please stop.
awesome, just like your favorite song. My shiny teeth are blossom, so they grow to be
You've been
real
awful singing this.
strong. My shiny teeth, I love them, and they all love me. I should have talked. Wait, I already sang that part. Oh.
Alright, can you stop? I'm trying to do something here. You're so annoying.
Well, I'm bored.
Not my problem.
You're just in a huff because Astrid didn't want to hang out with you today.
I'm not in a huffle for Astrid. If anything, it's just because you're being annoying.
Honestly, I don't even know what you see in her. That girl is scary.
She's not that bad. And besides, you're biased. You don't like her.
Of course I don't like her. I mean, first impression, she thinks you're crazy for talking to me.
To be fair, if I saw someone talking to thin air, I'd probably think they were crazy too.
Yeah, well, that's besides the point. I mean, it was rude. And then, when she finally does get to see me, she tries to punch me in the face. What type of girl does that? Who just goes up and punches someone? That's not appropriate for normal conversation.
She did try to punch you in the face. That was pretty funny.
She tried to punch a person she shouldn't even know in the face. That's pretty bad. She needs to work on her people skills, okay?
That is her working on her people skills, actually. You should have seen what she used to do to strangers.
What did she used to do to strangers?
You really don't want to know, but I can tell you. Think of an axe in the one place you don't want an axe.
There are a lot of places I wouldn't want an axe. Axes are painful.
True, but I'll leave it up to your imagination.
I don't know, man. I just don't get her. Punching people and throwing axes at people and just being violent towards people is not cool in my book. Just not cool. I mean, what? You're head over heels for this girl and you kissed, once?
Hey, it was twice.
Oh, excuse me. Twice. And what? She's ignoring you now. Cool. She sounds like a real winner.
I don't know, Jack. I think you're overreacting. This is a village of Vikings. Everyone's pretty violent. I'd say she's pretty much normal here.
I don't know, man. I prefer the twins. Or Snotlout. Snotlout's pretty cool to hang out with.
Thanks, but I'd rather spend as less time with Snotlout as I possibly can.
Anyway, we're back to me being bored.
And that's still not my problem.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas
Jack, it's June. It's not looking like Christmas.
Here we go. Do 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 do.
Alright, well, I have to bring this to the twins, so I knew he was being too quiet. It figures that the only time he can be quiet is when he's sleeping. You know, I don't regret meeting and hanging out with you, Jack. You're a good guy. Kind of like a terrible terror. You go from like cute and lovable and friendly to a giant pain in the ass in like an instant. But I'm glad to be your friend. Though I'll never tell you that to your face. He should be fine while I bring this to the twins. What happened? Jack? Jack? Yeah. I woke up and you were gone. I thought you died. I panicked. You thought I died? I went to bring a letter to the twins. And you panicked, so you trashed my room? Ha! That's it. I'm done. Nope, I'm done. Alright, I'm done. Sorry, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Just like a terrible terror, huh? Glad to know you think I'm cute, Hiccup. Call me. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this new episode of Fridays with Frost. And in the down below, tell me one thing that annoys you. If it's me, well, my bad. I'm sorry. I'll work on it. If it's not, well, maybe someone can offer you a solution to make that annoying thing not so annoying anymore. Who knows? Anyway, guys, I'll see you in 2 weeks for the next episode of Fridays with Frost. I hope you have a fantastic week. Go out and have some fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.